This video will cover which languages are the easiest to learn. Learning a language, just like anything else, involves dedication and passion in order for you to succeed, but you need to consider other factors that make a language especially easy for you. The easiest languages to learn for English speakers are the ones requiring 600 hours of classwork for minimal proficiency, according to the U.S. State Department. In this case, they're the Latin and Germanic languages group for English speakers. German shares many words with English and has a straightforward, simple pronunciation. It is spoken just the way it is written. However, German requires more time to learn because of its complex grammar. The State Department says it takes 750 hours to gain minimal proficiency. Italian is easy to learn as well, since it has no cases and has easy, clear pronunciation. Its vocabulary is derived from Latin. Therefore, the vocabulary has similarities to other Indo-European, Latin-influenced languages. Spanish is one of the easiest foreign languages to learn. Much of its vocabulary is similar to English, and written Spanish is almost completely phonetic. It has similar grammar and pronunciation to Italian. French is not difficult to acquire since many of its words are also in the English vocabulary. The grammar is not considered overly complex. However, the pronunciation may make it difficult to understand for some, since many letters are not pronounced. Esperanto is also easy. It is written phonetically. It is a constructed or invented language, and therefore has an advantage over natural languages when it comes to ease of learning. One disadvantage to Esperanto is the small numbers of speakers compared to natural languages like English, French, and Spanish. One advantage is the friendliness that people show when they find you know a language that is special to them. All these languages use the same alphabet as English, which makes learning to read and pronounce them much easier. Finally, for speakers of other languages, English is considered relatively easy because it has no cases, no gendered articles, no word agreement, and arguably has a simple grammar. The language is everywhere and can be heard, absorbed, and used anywhere. It has short words, and verbs change only in the third person, such as he, she, it. Native speakers are very forgiving of mistakes, as so many people speak it as a second language. This makes English one of the easiest foreign languages to learn. However, English does have many exceptions to the grammar rules due to the absorption of words from many languages. There are also many differences in the accents and vocabularies of various English-speaking countries that can make understanding spoken English more challenging for new speakers. Other factors can make a language easier for you personally to learn, and therefore you should consider them to help you decide what to study. 1. Similarity to your mother tongue. It's easiest to learn a language closely related to your own language, which shares many grammatical and vocabulary elements. For example, a Persian speaker might find Arabic easier to learn than Spanish because it is more similar to their own language, even though Arabic is considered to be a hard language to learn. Number 2. Passion towards learning. If you're enthusiastic, any language could look easy, or at least fun to learn. This in return makes memorization easier and allows for quick improvement. Number 3. Resources available to you. With the right tools, you can make quick progress and therefore have quick results. That includes audio lessons, grammar and vocabulary resources, practicing with native speakers, and so on. Which languages do you think are the hardest or easiest? Let us know in the comments. If you're ready to learn a language, check out our channel for tons of language learning lessons. And don't forget to like and subscribe.